This lesson is called Screen Recording on an iPad. The purpose of this lesson is to teach you how to create a screen recording on an iPad and useful examples to empower remote teaching and learning. First, you will need to tap on your settings icon. Then tap Control Center. The Control Center includes some of the most commonly used apps on your iPad. Now tap Customize Controls. You will notice the apps on top that are already part of your Control Center. Mine includes Timer and Camera. To add screen recording to my Control Center, I need to tap the green plus icon next to Screen Recording. Now screen recording is part of my Control Center. Next, press the Home button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen. To access your Control Center, you'll need to swipe down from the upper right edge. Now notice how your screen recording icon is part of your Control Center. Here are a couple things to consider when creating a screen recording. First is the save location of your recording. To access your save location options, hold down the screen recording icon. From here, you can see that I have the option of saving my screen recording to Photos, Zoom, or WebEx Meet. Your iPad may have different options depending on how your iPad is set up. I will select Photos. If you would like your screen recording to record audio, tap the microphone icon. Now my microphone is on. To start the screen recording, tap Start Recording. Notice that I am doing a screen recording in a math app. To stop the recording, I will need to access my Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner. Then tap the red stop icon. Screen recordings are useful when sending out weekly updates to your students and their families. You may want to highlight different aspects of your newsletter and circle different things on the page. Hi students, this is the week of April 20th through the 24th. I want to remind you that we are focusing on your opinion articles this week. Remember to make sure that you have facts and details to support your opinion. Screen recordings could be used when explaining how to do a project. You could open a sample project and talk through the different components of the assignment. Lastly, screen recordings can be made to teach parents and/or guardians how to use an app. For example, this is a math app called Math Learner. A teacher could record how to log in and how to create a student profile. Screen recordings help enhance communication between teachers, students, and their families. Screen recordings are useful for demonstrating assignments, walking through weekly schedules, demoing an app, and more. Enjoy using this tool to empower your students' remote learning experience.